Welcome back to Product Critique,
your ultimate guide to the latest gear and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of heavy-duty equipment with a focus on the best Weld-On D-rings for trailers available in the market.
If you're in the business of hauling and securing loads, you'll want to pay close attention to what we have in store.
Meet the Grandroad Auto Heavy-Duty Weld-On Forged D-ring. This robust piece of equipment isn't just any D-ring. It's built for serious performance and durability.
Crafted from high-quality forged steel, it boasts a massive 12,000-pound maximum braking strength,
making it a reliable choice for securing anything from trailers to farm equipment. Made from alloy steel, it's designed to withstand heavy loads and endure prolonged use without faltering. Whether you're in construction, marine activities, or towing, this D-ring is your go-to companion for secure connections. It meets stringent quality standards, ensuring peace of mind with every use.
Coated to resist rust, it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications, regardless of weather conditions.
Designed for user convenience, it's effortless to install and compatible with various securing equipment.
Let's see this D-ring in action. Imagine you're securing a heavy load on your trailer.
With its Weld-On design, installation is straightforward.
Once welded in place, it provides a reliable anchor point that you can trust, ensuring your cargo stays put even on rough terrain or during long journeys. Compared to other options on the market, the Grandroad Auto D-ring stands tall. Its combination of strength, durability, and ease of use makes it a favorite among professionals and enthusiasts alike. Plus, with a price point that won't break the bank, it's a smart investment for anyone serious about hauling safely.
So, should you consider the Grandroad Auto Heavy-Duty Weld-On Forged D-ring?
Absolutely.
Whether you're a contractor, a farmer, or an avid adventurer, having reliable tie-down points is crucial. This D-ring not only meets but exceeds expectations with its robust build and versatile applications. That wraps up our review of the Grandroad Auto Heavy-Duty Weld-On Forged D-ring.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews, and leave us a comment below about your experiences with D-rings.
Until next time, stay secure and keep hauling with confidence.
Thanks for watching.